Hi, I'm attorney Nick Namath, and if you live in Dallas or Fort Worth and you are looking for IRS help, please call us immediately. If you do not have IRS problems, then listen carefully to the following 5 tips to start planning next year's tax return. For most taxpayers, the tax deadline has passed, but planning for next year can start now. Being organized and planning ahead can save time and money in 2014. Here are 5 things you can do now to make next April 15th easier. Adjust your withholding. Each year, millions of American workers have far more taxes withheld from their pay than is required. Now is a good time to review your withholding to make the taxes withheld from your pay closer to the taxes you'll owe for this year. This is especially true if you normally get a large refund and you would like more money in your paycheck. If you owed tax when you filed, you may need to increase the federal income tax withheld from your wages so you don't owe again next year. Tip number 2, store your return in a safe place. Put your 2012 tax return and supporting documents somewhere safe. If you need to refer to your return in the future, you'll know where to find it. For example, you may need a copy of your return when applying for a home loan or financial aid. You can also use it as a helpful guide for next year's return. Tip number 3, organize your records. Establish one location where everyone in your household can put tax-related records during the year. This will avoid a scramble for misplaced mileage logs or charity receipts come tax time next year. Consider itemizing deductions. If you usually claim a standard deduction, you may be able to reduce your taxes if you itemize deductions instead. If your itemized deductions typically fall just below your standard deduction, you can bundle your deductions. For example, an early or extra mortgage payment or property tax payment or a planned donation to charity could equal some tax savings. See the Schedule A Itemized Deductions instructions for the list of items you can deduct. Planning an approach now that works best for you can pay off at tax time next year. And lastly, keep up with the changes. Having an experienced Dallas tax law firm on your side can prove to be a great asset at tax time. As always, if you have any questions regarding the IRS, don't hesitate to call us. 972-484-0TAX. That's 972-484-0829. Thank you.